How to send photos on iMessage on iOS 17. So first and foremost, you have to go here to your settings and make sure that you have updated your software. To do that, go here to your general and go to your software update here. Click on that. Now, if you'll see an update now to your iOS 17, then tap on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, if you're already up on the updated software, to be able to send photos on iMessages here is you have to go here to your iMessages, click on this, and choose the recipient for your photos that you want to send through your iMessage. So this person, I want to send a photo to this person. So on the left side, you will see a plus icon there. Click on that. And here you will see these options. So since we want to send photos, click on the photos here. And basically, you will be led to your gallery where you can send the photo that you want to. You can choose the photo that you want to send. So for example, this photo, I want to send this photo. So for example, I want to send this photo. So all you have to do is to click on send, and basically that's how you send photos on iMessage on iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.